How to log in to AT&T account. So if you want to log into your AT&T account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go for the search bar and search for AT&T login. And once you've searched, here you will have my AT&T login, or you can go for login AT&T. You can go for any one of these searches. Go for www.att.com and it will take you to the website. So now you can go for my AT&T, which is here on the upper right, and go for sign in, which is on the first. And now it will take you to the sign in page of AT&T. So if you forgot your user ID, then you can go for forgot user ID, or if you don't have a user ID, then you can create one. But if you remember your user ID, then simply enter your user ID on the first blank. Click on continue, and here you need to enter your password. So if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password. And if you want to keep the login information saved, then you can click on this. But if you don't want to save it, then you can click on cancel and enter your password and then click on sign in. And once you've clicked on sign in, if your information is correct, then you'll be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you sign in, or that's how you log into your AT&T account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.